Hey guys, just doing a little update here on my stove. This is my son, he's giving me a hand here. We're decided to wrap some copper coil around the top of my rocket stove. And this is going to tie into my in-floor heat, actually that tank you can see in the background. Anyway, and then I decided to put some insulation over top of the copper coil, just to help hold the heat in. And then I had this aluminum sheet, just had it home, so I decided to wrap that over top of the insulation, and just makes it look a lot better, cleaner and tidier. I just cut little indents down in the top of the aluminum and just folded them over all the way around, give it a nice finished look. And it was pretty easy to do. And this is just showing the finished product, what it all looks like. And that's tied into my heating system. I also have solar panels tied into this heating system too, so which helps quite a bit. But yeah, that's the tank all tied in, and this is it running, I believe. Yeah, it's running about pretty close to 600 degrees there right now, which is a nice temperature. Just showing some of the piping here and stuff, and you can see it's that's it going into the floor there. It's going in at 72 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not bad. And I just started it up, and you can hear the fire going there pretty good. I'll let you listen to that. I have really got to clean up my bench. What a mess. Anyway, I'm just grabbing a glove here so I don't burn my fingers off on that door. I'm just going to open it up and show you the flame here. You can see that flame is burning very well. That's just waste oil. That's all it's going in there. It's just waste oil. So yeah, works really well. Very happy with it. I'm still making a few minor adjustments to the burn chamber, which I will have updates on soon. But yeah, works really well. Very happy with it. So glad I built it. And that's just a little way of adjusting the draft on the bottom. Pretty simple. Turn it up, more draft. Turn it down, less draft. And yeah, it's pretty hot there. And this is just a shot of the chimney outside. Nothing fancy. You can see there's very little smoke. It actually shows up in the camera, but when you look at it, there's really nothing there. But yeah, it burns pretty clean. Anyway, thanks for watching.